Yes. For thinking like this, you can bring your you can bring your
Come on, read that
you
Mr.
can
Keith
bring your dad as
English.
well.
Don't listen to me.
Leilana, who are you fucking
Lorena.
Who's your friend? You're funny, eh? Tell your friend to shut her mouth.
I should say something. What's something? She said.
Right, so you're embarrassing to the Samoan community.
Okay, bitch. Just stop saying your dad. Tell your friend I say. Tell her to go
I didn't even say anything.
Come with the dad for her face.
She couldn't get it.
Okay, guys, I have to go now. Bye, my cousins. Bye, my family who's on here. And bye, all my other friends as well. And my best friend that's off on Sunday. Okay? Have a good day.
Go now.
Motherfucker.
Hang
Bye.
on. Bye. Oh, what embarrassing.